News 8 at Sunrise in high definition continues.
Welcome back. CPA Dave Young is back with us. Dave, good to see you.
Well, it's great to be here.
A lot of folks think about April 15th as the big day, but it's actually the 18th today this year that is the tax filing deadline.
Right, today is the day. It's not as exciting as the end of an NCAA tournament, but the clock is running. So today you have to do two things. You either had to file your return or file your extension.
All right, those who are not going to get their return done on time, they do need to file that extension. How do we go about doing that?
Okay, there's a couple of ways to do that. First of all, if you're a New York State resident, you're going to file an extension both for the IRS and New York. Both of them you can do online, or you can download a 4868, which is the form for the IRS, or you can download a similar form, an IT 370 for New York State. You can download that. You can use your software to file an extension, or you can use your tax preparer, and he or she can file an extension for you.
Okay, and that'll take care of your federal return as well, correct?
Both federal and state. You got to download an extension for each.
What information do we need?
Okay, so the biggest thing is that an extension is an extension of time to file, not to pay. So you need to get an estimate of how much you owe. So you want to gather all your W-2s and all your documents knowing how much you had withheld. You have to file. And, you know, basically you have to figure out how much you're going to think you're going to owe. I would send a little bit more and so you have some cushion. And you got to make sure you pay by today everything you owe, both the IRS and New York State.
And today is the day. I mean, you cannot do this tomorrow. There's no delaying this.
There is no delaying. The penalty can be severe. It can be up to 5%. So if you wait till tomorrow and you owe money, you're going to owe a 5% penalty.
All right, what are our payment options? You say if we're in that scenario where we do owe, what choices do we have? Okay,
if you owe and you cannot pay, both the federal and state government can work out a payment agreement with you. So you can work that out by going online to the irs.gov website. You can work out a payment, agreement that way. You can send in what you have today. The IRS will gladly send you a letter, and you'll have to respond to that letter, call up the phone number on the letter, and work out a payment agreement.
All right, so the bottom line is this: you got to get it done today.
The bottom line is today, and it's not what I see a lot from my clients. They think it's an extension of time to pay. It is not. You must file today, pay today. The extension is just a time to get all your documents together and file what you actually will have for your extension, but you have to pay by today.
And we've touched on that several times throughout this tax season. Hopefully our viewers have got it locked in at this point.
Right.
All right, Dave, thank you. Appreciate it. More information always on the State Society website, nysscpa.org. We'll share that link as well on our site at rochesterfirst.com.